Another type of questions in implicit function way can be like you have to differentiate y with respect to x, then you have to differentiate x with respect to y, and you have to prove that both are coming equal to be 1, because ultimately when you will be deleting it, it will be 1 only. So here you will have to take differentiation of y as well and x as well in the same question, and you have to show that its multiplication is equal to 1. Let us see the examples. Now this is the question given to you. So here you have to prove this, that differentiation of y upon x and differentiation of x upon y, it comes out to be equal to 1. Now let us first calculate our dx upon dy. That is first let us move how we were moving already. So we will first calculate dy upon dx. We have to differentiate with respect to x, differentiation of y with respect to x. So x differentiation has to be taken. If we differentiate this, it will be 2x plus 2hxy. Now xy is, again we have to apply the product rule over here. So it will be, when you apply the product rule, x differentiation of y plus y differentiation of x will be equal to 1. So it will be same. Its differentiation will be 2y square into dy upon dx, and a square's differentiation will be equal to 0. So from here we will reach at the conclusion of dy upon dx. It is same, plus 2hx dy upon dx plus 2hy. I have opened the bracket, plus 2y square into differentiation of y with respect to x is equals to 0. Now keeping this dy upon dx on the left hand side and taking common as well, it will be 2hx plus 2y square is equal to, on the right hand side it will be minus 2x minus 2hy. So finally we can say that dy upon dx, I am taking minus also common, and finally we can write the answer. It will be minus 2x minus 2hy divided by 2hx plus 2y square. This I have divided. So we have reached at the first answer, that is dy upon dx has been calculated. So now coming to the second part of the question. Earlier we have differentiated with respect to x. Now in the same question I will be differentiating with respect to y. Let us see how. So I'll just note down this answer so that it can be used in the final. So if we start with the question again. So our question was x square plus 2hxy plus y square is equals to a square. Now again we will differentiate it. Now it is the differentiation with respect to y. It means now everything is going to be opposite. Now we are finding dx upon dy. Now here differentiation will be 2x square has been cancelled into dx upon dy, because differentiation of x has still to be taken and it is divided by dy. Correct? Now plus 2h will be at its place. Now here product rule will be applied. X differentiation of y will be equal to 1. So we need not write, plus y differentiation of x will be like this. So here with x dx upon dy will be coming. Earlier you have seen everywhere dy upon dx was coming. Plus its differentiation is 2y. On the right hand side it is a constant, so there is no need to change the differentiation. Now if you will open this bracket, so you can see it is 2h into dx upon dy plus 2hx plus 2hy into dx upon dy plus 2y is equals to 0. So from here if we take dx upon dy common, so what we will get, there are two values. First is 2x will be coming common, plus from here 2hy will be coming common, right? And on the right hand side we will have minus 2hx minus 2y. So this is what we will have common. And if you see the final value, it will be dx upon dy is equals to minus 2hx minus 2y divided by 2x plus 2hy. So this is the second answer. Now we have to multiply these two answers. Now see, this was the first answer, this is the second answer. So I am directly multiplying it here only. So you can show it in the next step. So multiplying this, you will see the entire will be cancelled. Minus minus, it will be common, minus minus common, so minus minus also will become plus. So ultimately your answer will be 1. That has been asked in the main question, that you have to prove this equal to 1. So ultimately it will be 1 only. So here you will have to take twice differentiation, once with respect to x and once with respect to y, and you have to prove it equal to 1. Now another type of questions in parametric equations can be like this. When you have been told to calculate with respect to x, or it may be told to calculate with respect to y, the equation has been given and you have to solve the question, you have to evaluate, you have to calculate the answer. 1 means x is 1, y is 1. So finally when the answer of differentiation will come, we will put these values in that answer. So first we have to calculate dy upon dx. So it is very much clear that we have to take differentiation of y with respect to x. So when we will be writing here, differentiating on both the sides. So first you can see this, here product rule will be applied, here product rule will be applied. So here if we apply the product rule, first will be x cube into differentiation of y, that will be same, plus y, differentiation of x cube will be 3x square. So or we can write it like 3x square y. Plus, so this was the differentiation of this portion. Coming to the second portion now, again the differentiation with the help of product rule. So first differentiation of x will be 1, we need not write, plus again x, differentiation of y cube will be 2y, 3y square will be 3y square and dy upon dx. So this is the differentiation of second part is equals to 0. So now if you open these brackets and we want to take dy upon dx common, dy upon dx common can be taken from this value x cube and from this value, that is 3xy square, is equals to this y cube will go on the other side and this minus 3x square y also will go on the other side. So from here we will calculate dy upon dx. If I take minus common here, it is y cube minus 3x square divided by, from here it will go below, x cube minus 3xy square. Below also we can take anything common. Here it will be plus because I have taken this minus sign common. So above it will be minus y cube plus 3x square y divided by x cube minus 3xy square. Here when we take this common, it was plus sign, so here also it will be plus. So this is the final answer that we got for dy upon dx. Plus in the question it has been given that you have to evaluate the value at 1. Now fill 1 where x is there, fill 1 where y is there. So minus 1 cube will be 1, plus 3 into 1 square into 1, it will be 3 only, divided by 1 cube is going to be 1 again, and plus 3 x into y, again it is going to be 3. So when you will solve this, it is minus 4 by 4. Ultimately our answer is minus 1. This is another similar question. Here also it has been told that you have to take differentiation of y with respect to x. This you have to calculate at this. At this means x value is 1 and y's value is 2. So now what we will do is we will be just writing, differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So if you take the differentiation on the left hand side, of course I know you understand, now it will be dy upon dx, differentiation of y will be there. On the right hand side you can see there are two functions. So here our product rule will be applicable. So x into log y's differentiation will be 1 upon y dy upon dx plus log y differentiation of x will be 1, so we need not write here. So now we have to calculate dy upon dx, so we can take that on the other side. So dy upon dx minus x upon y, this can be divided, dy upon dx is equals to log y. Correct? So here if we take dy upon dx common, in the bracket we will get 1 from the first minus in the second x upon y is equals to log y. So now we can just take the LCM over here. In the left hand side, if we take the LCM, it will be dy over dx, and LCM will be y minus x upon y is equals to log y. Now dy upon dx finally we will calculate. It will be dividing, but ultimately it will be multiplying in the opposite way. So it will be y log y into y divided by y minus x. So we can finally write it to be y log y divided by y minus x. So now we will put final answer we have got, but according to the question you have to evaluate and you have to calculate when your x is 1 and y is 2. So let us put the value in our final answer. So our final answer from dy upon dx, so this is the answer we got from here. Now we will fill the values. Y is 2 log 2 and below 2 minus 1. So ultimately our answer is log 2 log 2. It will be 1.